Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from WIKO U Pulse to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and type in Send Anywhere in the search bars. After that, download this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both smartphones. Begin by choosing I agree. Then click on Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you wish though. To close it, click on OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of WIKO and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, scroll down just a bit to select the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to WIKO. On it, you can finally use all of those categories at the top to choose files that you wish to transfer. Then click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. I will go with this one picture. Now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, tap on this scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key though, click on Input Key section instead. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And then tap on the Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!